Hi, welcome back to Kitty Meow Meow. Today we're gonna have a math. This is multiplication. This is times. I'm already done on the other one, which is 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. 1 times 10, 1 times 11 equals 11. 1 times 12 equals 12. 2, 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 10, 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 times 11 equals 22. 2 times 12 equals 24. That's all I draw. And I'm...
Magbibideo ka ba?
Opo.
Bakit?
Gusto ko po eh.
Ha?
Gusto ko po.
Kanino?
Wala eh. Papost ko to sa YouTube. Kasi nga, no, wag mo po ako guluhin, please. I am on 3 and I am on 3 times 5. I'm halfway there. Pray for me, guys. Why I'm doing this? Because I'm just bored. I don't know what to do. Jungkook bring me to this hotel and I see this organized thing and I said, bro, now I want to study. My mom will come here in a moment. I will introduce you to her and I'm gonna introduce her to you. It's like that. I know I'm Korean, I should supposed to talk in Korean, but I prefer to talk in English so you can understand me, guys. For all of the Koreans, sorry if you cannot understand me. I have to talk in English. Oh, snap. No one see my ring, okay? No one see my ring. Fine, I will not lie. Me and Jungkook are married. I'm gonna actually post this on my YouTube. This is on Kitty Meow. Why? Because I'm always saying meow for no reason and I always want to be a kitty cat. Okay, so this is called computation. You're gonna compute. Basically like in computer. Science and computer have math. There are cousin. So 5.
Plansyado na ba ito ni mami mo?
Opo.
Ay, baka pala tumangkin. Wala ang inong automatic eh.
I'm starting strong. This is my mic. If you know who I am, actually gonna give you a sign. Gonna give you a hint. Here, if you read it, you're gonna be correct. Okay? Okay, this is the one. If you can read it, okay? I'm gonna end this video right here because it will take long. I will actually film myself like talking about BTS because
Naku, BTS lang pala binibidyo mo.
no! Sa next video ko po. So, I know it's not that important, but so you can know what is my daily life. And it's just hard for me to I'm not computing, I'm just copying what is on the wall because I'm gonna use this for my school if they call me because sometimes I'm glitching and stuff. This is the one I'm gonna show. Come here. Yep. That one, what I'm using, what I'm copying. And this is math. Okay? Math.
Kailangan nyo ulit. Pinapagisa mo, huwag mong kopyahin. Nakopyahan, ikaw pagbisabihin mo yan.
Math. So I will end this video right here because I'm gonna draw. And I'm gonna post more video. If you like, subscribe, hit notification bell, and share. Be sure to follow me on TikTok. It's called Daphne. Yeah, I'm using my screen name as Daphne. DAPHNIE. So, hope you guys enjoy. This is Kitty Meow Meow signing out.